All right, we're all set up. Chris here's going to take a shot at this half-pound tannerite we got underneath the refrigerator down here.
Let me know when you're ready.
We're ready. What do y'all think about that business? Blew the door plumb off of it. Let's go down here and take a look at the damage.
Did you just see the door fly off? Yeah, it blew the door off. Look, come down. Get these water off.
Hey, well, blew the door off. Let's roll it over. Let's roll it over that way.
I think it's fire.
Come on. Oh.
It's fun.
Oh yeah, that's how you have fun.
Put this in it. Put these water bottles in it.